Okay, so let's look at simplifying expressions with fractional exponents. And what we really have here is we need to note that if you take the nth root of something raised to the power of y, right? The power obviously is going to become the numerator of some exponent when you write it out later on. And this here, n, is going to turn out to be denominator. So if you have your calculator and you're trying to figure out some value written some nth root of something raised to the y power, as long as it's not some algebraic term, non-numerical term, you can rewrite it as, now you can see that the y is the numerator and the n is the denominator, and these are equivalent. So in other words, a to the y over n is equal to the nth root of a to the y, which can be interpreted two ways depending on which process is easier. So you can think of it as the nth root of a to the y, everything here, or you can think of it as the nth root of a now raised to the y power. All right, and so let's just give you an example. So let's look at number 27. So let's look at number 27. So we got 27 A. 27A asks you to find the 64 raised to the 2/3. All right, so that's an exponent there. 64 raised to the power of 2/3. Now this can give you two different ways of looking at it. That can mean 64 squared, right? And I'm taking the cube root. All right, or it can mean I am taking the cube root of 64 first, and then I'm squaring it. Now you should see that one of these options is easier. All right, you should see that. To take 64 squared is going to be a little rough, but I want to take the cube root of 64 is not a problem at all. That just becomes, this here just becomes cube root of 64 just happens to be 4. I'm squaring 4 and I get 16. Now if you have a calculator, please check this out for yourself. If you square 64 first and take the cube root, you should still get 16 for your answer, right? Nothing is going to change with your answer. All right? Okay. So that's going to be that for this video. I'll continue making